Bird dogs are a great exercise for training the erector spinae muscle in your back as well as your glutes and hamstrings. You won't need any equipment to perform this exercise. However, you may want to put a mat on the floor to cushion your knees and hands. To begin, come to the floor and start in an all-fours position with your knees underneath your hips and your hands underneath your shoulders. Now lift your right leg straight back while you also take your left arm and reach it straight forward, forming a straight line from your heels through your hips to your fingertips. Then lower back down and switch to the other side, lifting your left leg and your right arm. Continue to switch back and forth, 2 seconds up and 2 seconds down. One time up and back down on both sides is 1 repetition. Continue for the recommended number of repetitions in your training program. You should feel this work in the glutes, hamstrings, and your back.